Nomad features our 6.2 litre V8 engine with just over 400 horsepower. Combined with our 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is a perfect daily ride. Our client opted for the Bilstein shocks with Land Rover springs, ensuring the vehicle is as comfortable on-road as it is capable off-road. Nomad features the Corbeau Trailcat seats in the front and middle row, the 2+2 setup, which is one of my favourites. It offers plenty of room inside and easy access to the cargo area. The interior was finished in a chocolate Spinneybeck leather, which adds a really subtle contrast to the grey-black exterior.